So my daughter has been having her 3rd birthday party coming up, and I really wanted cute candles that were going to match the mini theme that we were having. So I found this set where it actually has the cute number 3 and the cutest gold bow right on the top, and these matching candles that just look adorable. And I was so excited that it would really go with the cake and the theme. It would go with all the decorations and just add something really special to the cake. For me, these lit really well and they looked just beautiful on the cake. I actually liked that the candles had a little holder, so it wouldn't even make the biggest hole. Like normally a candle, you would have to kind of really stick it in there and make a large hole. But with the little holders on the bottom for the candles, it actually makes it super precise and it doesn't make that huge hole that normally candles do. But these, my daughter was able to blow them out and she just really loved them. The whole aesthetic of these candles with the pink and the white and the polka dots and the gold bow is beautiful.